What makes your dream kitchen aesthetic in 2026? The kitchen is more than just a place for cooking. It's the heart of the home. It's where families gather, conversations flow, and memories are made. As we look ahead to 2026, aesthetic kitchen design is about creating a beautiful, functional, and emotionally comforting space that feels like an extension of your personal style. If you're dreaming of a home that feels luxurious, cozy, and perfectly put together, these top aesthetic kitchen design ideas for 2026 can help bring that vision to life. 1. Nature-inspired color palettes. One of the most powerful ways to elevate the aesthetics of your kitchen is through color. In 2026, kitchens are moving away from stark white and gray tones, making way for rich, earthy colors that echo nature. Think sage greens, warm terracotta, soft browns, muted blues, and even deep forest tones. These shades add depth, warmth, and a grounding effect, turning your kitchen into a tranquil oasis. Pair them with creamy whites or matte black hardware to strike a perfect balance between modern and organic. 2. Statement lighting that doubles as art. Lighting is no longer just about function. It's a major design element that can transform your kitchen. In 2026, statement lighting will be key in creating a visually appealing space. Oversized pendant lights in sculptural shapes, vintage-inspired chandeliers, and linear LED fixtures are gaining momentum. These lighting options not only brighten the space, but also serve as bold visual anchors, adding a layer of sophistication and drama. 3. Open shelving with purposeful styling. Open shelving is still in, but it's evolving. Rather than cluttering the space, 2026 open shelving trends are all about curated minimalism. Think hand-thrown ceramics, vintage glassware, beautiful cookbooks, and textured baskets neatly displayed. The idea is to showcase your personality through intentional styling. Open shelving can make a kitchen feel more airy, personal, and artistic when styled right, creating a welcoming, lived-in aesthetic. 4. Seamless indoor-outdoor integration. Blurring the lines between inside and outside is a huge aesthetic trend in kitchen design. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors, large windows, and even retractable walls are bringing natural light and greenery into the heart of the home. In 2026, kitchens are being designed with easy access to outdoor patios or gardens, creating a sense of continuity and connection to nature. This design idea adds luxury and openness, enhancing the aesthetic appeal through the use of natural materials and breathtaking views. 5. Fluted and textured surfaces. Smooth, glossy surfaces are giving way to textures that catch the eye and invite touch. Fluted wood cabinets, reeded glass fronts, and grooved islands are bringing depth and rhythm to kitchen spaces. These textural elements add movement and dimension, breaking up monotony and making the space feel dynamic. It's a subtle yet powerful way to add style without overwhelming the design. 6. High contrast materials and finishes. 2026 is the year of bold contrasts. Aesthetic kitchens are embracing the tension between light and dark, matte and gloss, rough and smooth. Think black marble countertops with brass inlays, light oak cabinetry paired with dark slate tiles, or white stone backsplashes with charcoal grout. These combinations create visual intrigue and help define the personality of the kitchen. It's about mixing elements in a way that feels intentional, luxurious, and unique. 7. Invisible appliances for a clean look. Minimalism is getting smarter with technology that allows appliances to practically disappear into the design. In 2026, expect to see fridges, dishwashers, and even range hoods that are either hidden behind cabinetry or integrated so seamlessly they're barely noticeable. This sleek, uninterrupted look enhances the aesthetics by allowing other design elements, like your counters, cabinetry, and finishes, to shine without visual noise. 8. Functional art pieces and decor. Kitchens are becoming more expressive with decor that feels like it belongs in a gallery. Instead of typical kitchen accessories, think bold ceramics, artisan-made utensils, framed artwork, and sculptural bowls. These pieces bring character and elevate the space with a curated personal touch. In 2026, it's all about functional beauty. Items that serve a purpose, but also look stunning sitting on your counter or shelf. 9. Personalized islands and multi-use layouts. The kitchen island has become more than a prep space. It's a social hub, dining table, homework spot, and even a work-from-home desk. In 2026, islands are being designed to reflect all these uses while still looking incredible. Waterfall countertops, mixed materials, like marble and wood combined, open shelving on the sides, and even built-in wine fridges or planters are making islands a custom focal point that boosts both function and flair. 10. Sustainable luxury through eco-conscious choices. Sustainability is becoming a cornerstone of aesthetic design. Eco-friendly kitchens in 2026 don't sacrifice style, they enhance it. Reclaimed wood, recycled stone surfaces, and energy-efficient appliances not only reduce your carbon footprint, but also introduce rich textures and authenticity. The story behind the materials becomes part of the design, giving your kitchen a deeper, more meaningful beauty. Designing your dream kitchen in 2026 is about more than following trends. It's about creating a space that feels uniquely yours while embracing beauty, function, and harmony. Whether it's through rich natural tones, artistic lighting, or eco-friendly materials, the most aesthetic kitchens of the future are rooted in intention and expression. Every element has its place, purpose, and personality. With these inspiring ideas, your kitchen can truly become the soul of your dream home.